Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial for WhatsApp sound problem. In this video, I will show how to fix WhatsApp status sound problem. Open on phone setting, click on sound, tap on volume, increase media sound, on your phone. Go back, tap on hold WhatsApp app, click on app info, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Go back and tap and click on force stop, tap on OK. WhatsApp status sound problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.